Hello everyone, in this video you will see how you can use assertions in your E2E or end-to-end test suites. So just to give you a summary of end-to-end test suites, so in Kusho AI, they let you visually connect APIs to entire business workflows without writing any scripts. So to get started or to add assertions, so you can follow this tutorial along, and we have also created an end-to-end test suite video before, end-to-end testing video before, so you can check it out. We will provide the link in the description of this video. So first you have to click on E2E test suite button over here, and you have to click or select any test suite that you want to add assertions to. So for in this case, I have this product API with me. So I will just click on run button over here, and yeah, so the connection is ready. And if you hover over the NA button, so it will say that there is no assertions in this test suites. So you can click on assertions and generate all, so it will create the assertions for you. So now it is saying has assertions, so that means like every assertion that it has added are completely passing. So you can check them out by clicking the button over here, and you can click on edit, and here you will see all the assertions. So you can edit your assertions here, and for example, if a assertion is not passing or like it has failed, so it will show you an error. So let me show you how. So for example, if I change this to equal, let's say to be equal, and click on save assertion, and if I click on run all again, so now as you will see that it is saying failed. So now it's saying that 15 of the assertion have passed but one failed, and it will give you the error message like why it is failing. So you can check it from there. So yeah, this is it for the video, and I will see you in the next one.